If your design feels visually crowded, simplifying the framing can instantly make it look more premium. Today, how to create simplified frame compositions. Open Canva and create a 1080 by 1080 canvas. Start by inserting a single large rectangular frame and place it slightly off-center instead of perfectly aligned. Upload your image and drag it inside, adjusting the crop carefully for balance. Now duplicate the frame, enlarge it slightly, and place it behind with reduced opacity to create a subtle layered border. Select the background and apply a clean neutral tone like off-white or soft gray. Add one thin line element across the layout with low opacity for detail. Use position tools to align everything